Today, we're talking AirLoom 3D printed tech. AirLoom is a 3D printed woven lattice built using our patented structure that's not only incredibly supportive, but also lighter than the competition. At its core, Trek AirLoom is made with a shape called the truncated octahedron, balancing negative space with interwoven struts to deliver strength, comfort, and support in all the right places. There are some drawbacks to traditional saddles that AirLoom helps to overcome. First, AirLoom has tuned support exactly where riders need it. Firmer lattice under the sit bones and softer, more flexible material under sensitive, soft tissue. It's all accomplished inside the lattice itself. No harsh transitions or layered zones like foam saddles, just seamless support. Second, foam saddles have a cover, and that cover stretches and compresses during a ride, creating a trampoline effect which increases peak pressure. AirLoom doesn't use a traditional cover. Instead, the uppermost layer is printed as part of the lattice structure itself. What that means is it compresses cleanly without resistance from a stretch cover and without building up hot spots. And third, AirLoom allows subtle lateral movement as you pedal. Rather than creating friction between the rider and the saddle, that micro movement happens inside the lattice. The result? Reduced chafing, less fatigue, and a smoother overall ride. When you combine those benefits, tuned support for the sit bones, lower peak pressure from the coverless design, and reduced friction, you get a saddle that delivers a more comfortable, more consistent ride. And it's not just theory. We did testing in the lab and in the real world with our pro athletes. Both confirmed that AirLoom saddles deliver more even pressure distribution and more comfort, especially over long distances. All right, let's talk materials. AirLoom is made from a flexible yet resilient resin polymer. It's lightweight, waterproof, and easy to rinse clean after muddy rides. And we've optimized manufacturing to bring costs down, which means AirLoom tech isn't limited to our most premium model. Trek AirLoom is more comfortable and supportive than traditional foam, and lighter and more affordable than other 3D printed saddles on the market. Trek AirLoom, the next generation of saddle comfort.